Hello friends, welcome again. In this video, I will explain you how can make the star delta control in Fatek PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will create the program in the PLC, and here I will take, for example, x0 is my input address, which is the start button of our control. And second, here we will take the x1 button for the close contact to the stop our execution, and one output I will take y0 as a main contactor, and in the next we will take the open contact of the y0, and we will start one more relay, for example y1 as a star contactor, and here we will make a branch and also one more branch, and here we will take the one timer, for example t0, choose from here t0, and give the address d0 for the set point of from the HMI, and here you can give a output open contact of the t0, and here you can take the close contact of your y1, because of y1 is your star contactor, and when star contactor off, after our delta contactor will be on, this interlock must be have to be make. If this one is on, our delta contactor no needs to on, and if star contactor on, delta contactor no need to be on. And this address we will give the y2 and click it OK. And here in the y0 from the and the y1, this is also we will give the interlock of the t0 and y2, because of t0 if when on means this timer when on, this contactor no needs to be on, and also here we will take the y2 of the close contact of the delta relay. And this is very simple and very easy and very small program, and you can easy to understand. And also one more thing I like to explain you, here you have like to make any emergency button, and here you can make the emergency button, and this contactor you can put it again. And here this one we will make the branch, insert the network. After this network not coming, this we have to be here first once close, and here we will make this one insert network. After this network, and simply this line you can lay again place. Why this I make this again? Because of I want to put it here one M0 button internal memory, because of if by using the physical push buttons of the X0 and X1 with the physical PLC, after this will be we need to be wiring for push buttons, and complete hardware have to be configured. After we can run the system, and now we only just check with simulation with the PLC and HMI, we have to be stopped. And here also we will take the one button for M2, for example the close contact, and here this close contact we will take the x0 x1, sorry, because this is our real program, and this is we make from HMI command. Okay, and this program we will download to the PLC, and click it yes. And now we will test. For example, this is x0. I no like to be physical input. I have to be start from the internal memory. Now my system is start y1 and y0 both are on, and now this contactor needs to be stop after the time, and after y2 needs to be on. So our control is okay. Make it off, and when I like to be stop this one and make it on this M2, and after our program will be stopped. So our program is working correctly, and now we will make the program in the HMI. Simply go to the home, and here you can take the input button M0, and here address you can give this one M0 and click it OK. And here one more button we will take, this is M1, and place it near, because of M0 or M1 we were defined, right? This is M0 is our start and M2 is our stop. But physical when you choose, after you can use this one X0 and X1. So if you here inside this buttons also you can give the label, use label, and here you can make the start and click it OK. And this also you can give the label, use label, and here you can make the stop and click it OK. And these two buttons are your ready for the start stop control. And here now I will take the some LEDs to show the status of our y0, y1 and y2. And shape, here we can go picture library, and here you can check the lamps. For example, this is the simple lamp, this is the crystal, any type you can choose, depend on your choice, and click it OK. Then anywhere you can place, and make it the control C and control V, three buttons we need, one for delta, one for star, and one for main. And this is simple, you can align these buttons. And one also we will take the picture for motor also. Go to the shape picture library and go to the system control panel, system industrial, that motors. Also here also have motors. This motor if you like to choose, click it OK. And in general we can give this y0, it's OK address, and anywhere you can place the motor. And this is also we can give the label, but no need to label, we give the delta contactor. This one we can place it here already, this is the one, this is the y, this is the y2, this address also we will complete it. And this is we will give the address y1, and here also we will give the star contactor. This is our star contactor, and you can place it here. You can align, and this is y0, it's OK. And our this is the main contactor our, and main contactor, and click at the OK, and little align. And now this also control C and control V, and you can here or here downside you can put main motor. Main motor. And one thing we have to be take for numeric address. This is our D0. Allow input and click it OK, and you can place it anywhere. For the time delay of the setting of our timer, this timer D0, how much time after we have to put in delta, this time we will be set at the D0. Okay, and now almost our complete program is completed. And here if you like to give the main headings, control for delta, control for start delta, and this is you can put the anywhere you can make, depends on you. Start delta, right? And this project you will download to the HMI, and let's check. Wait for a second. As its message is shown all finished, after you can go to the exit. It's very simple and easy. You can make by self this the program and use with your motor. Now our program is almost download, and we will check our, yeah, this is running, and we will check our VNC viewer. Give the password 6 times 11, and our HMI is now open, and I will place it little down to see the status. Now our control is now ready, and as I give the start address, our M0 needs to be on. So our ready, and 1000 is time setting for 1000 millisecond completed. After the star contactor will be closed and delta contactor will be on. Now this Y0 is main contactor our, this one main contactor, and this is our delta contactor Y2. And as we will give the signal to M2, our system will be goes to stop. Why not stop? Because of we put the M2, I think so address is our wrong or something. This is our working, but M2 is not working. We have to be check this, cross check. This address we were giving here M1, and here is a M2. Yeah, this is mistake. This we will stop the PLC. We will change it address here. This is M1 we will make, and click it OK, and again run the PLC. And open our real VNC viewer, and now we will again check. Now our system is started, star contactor is running, and our motor animation is also running. And now it goes to delta, and our star contactor is off. And as we will give the signal to the stop M1, our system will be stopped. So hope guys you will be understand about this star delta control. It's very easy and very small method. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.